Structural fasteners and hardware are mechanical elements used to join, locate, and transfer loads between aircraft structural components. They ensure continuity of load paths in the airframe and allow structures to be assembled, disassembled, inspected, and repaired. These items are designed to carry tension, shear, bearing, and fatigue loads while meeting strict requirements for strength, weight, reliability, and corrosion resistance. Rivets are permanent mechanical fasteners widely used in aircraft structures, especially in thin sheet assemblies. They primarily carry shear loads and distribute loads smoothly across joined parts. Common types include solid rivets and blind rivets. Rivets are lightweight, reliable, and well-suited for high-fatigue environments, making them ideal for skins, stringers, ribs, and frames. Bolts are removable fasteners used where high-strength, precise clamping, or frequent disassembly is required. They can carry both shear and tensile loads depending on the joint design. Bolts are commonly used in critical joints such as wing-to-fuselage attachments, landing gear fittings, and engine mounts. Aircraft bolts are manufactured to tight tolerances and identified by specific head markings. Nuts are used with bolts to provide clamping force and maintain joint integrity. Aircraft nuts include plain nuts, self-locking nuts, and castellated nuts with cotter pins. Self-locking nuts are widely used to prevent loosening under vibration, which is common in aircraft operations. Washers are placed under bolt heads or nuts to distribute bearing stress, protect surfaces, and improve joint reliability. They help prevent damage to softer materials and ensure even load distribution. Special washers are also used for locking or alignment purposes. Hi-Lok and Hi-Tigue fasteners. Hi-Lok and Hi-Tigue fasteners are high-strength, close-tolerance fasteners commonly used in modern aircraft. They combine the benefits of bolts and rivets by providing high shear strength with controlled installation torque. These fasteners are widely used in primary structures where fatigue performance and joint consistency are critical. Pins are used primarily for alignment, hinging, or load transfer in joints where rotation is required. Examples include hinge pins in control surfaces and quick-release pins in removable assemblies. Pins may carry shear loads, but usually do not provide clamping force. Screws are threaded fasteners mainly used for non-critical or lightly loaded joints, such as access panels, fairings, and interior components. While not typically used in primary structures, they are essential for maintenance accessibility and system installation. Clips and retainers are hardware items used to secure wiring, tubing, and lightweight components to the structure. They carry minimal structural loads, but are important for organization, vibration control, and system reliability. Bushings are inserted into holes to reduce wear, improve load distribution, and protect structural members from damage. They are commonly used in joints subject to repeated motion or high bearing stresses, such as landing gear and control surface attachments. Locking devices such as cotter pins, lock wires, safety clips, and self-locking features are used to prevent fasteners from loosening due to vibration. These devices are critical for maintaining joint integrity throughout the aircraft's service life. Structural fasteners and hardware used in aircraft applications are manufactured from high-strength steels, aluminum alloys, titanium alloys, and other corrosion-resistant materials. The selection of a particular material is governed by the magnitude and type of loads the fastener must carry, weight reduction requirements, resistance to corrosion and environmental conditions, and material compatibility with the surrounding aircraft structure to prevent issues such as galvanic corrosion and fatigue.